It's interesting because I met upon Azamara when I did my first cruise world in 2010, and this brand had just launched. It was launched as the luxury brand of the Royal Caribbean line, and they came out with the Quest. I'm thinking they probably had two ships at the time. I remember I had the brochures looking at, and I said in my head, oh hala, when am I ever going to sail on that beauty? And just on the heels of the ninth staging of Cruise World, because ironically, I attended the very first staging of Cruise World. So right on the heels of the ninth staging of Cruise World, I knew that my next event would be this wonderful 10-day experience with all my dearest friends from Avoya Travel, doing our ultimate Avoya Mastermind Academy aboard the Azamara Journey. And boy, it has been a journey. There is so much to tell about these small ships. I'll tell you this though, Azamara does not advertise. Now, I'm trying to put this into perspective so that you understand. This classic beauty that's, sleeps no more than 700 and probably two people at her peak needs no market. Well, I should never say no marketing. Needs no aggressive advertising. If you think about it, the itinerary, there's so much geared towards those who seek more, to do more, to go further, to explore deeper. That back-to-back-to-back sailings are the norm in this experience. And so I hope to walk you through the ship. Can you imagine? It's been quite a few days since I've been on board, and I'm only now getting a chance to speak to you about the journey, simply because I've been having a journey of my own. And I tell you, if I were to allow myself to get even more immersed in the onboard life and the experience here, I would never have any time to talk to you. I tell you, it takes my breath away. It really, really, really is awe-inspiring. And speaking of awe-inspiring, we shall be having our As Amazing night in Santiago. Oops, it was supposed to be in Santiago, but we tendered, so that didn't happen. We're gonna have it in Havana, and of course on the heels of that we will be doing our classic cars. Now you're asking, are you talking about the ship or are you talking about Cuba? Can I just be honest? It's as though two have become one. They've become so intimately entwined in my thoughts, in my memory, in my feeling, that I really can't talk about the journey without talking about Cuba. And it is her first time doing this immersive trip, so I guess I should just fly my flag high and let you know I am on a pioneering sailing. But then that's me, right? Pioneer. So as I promised, I shall take you around the ship and I shall introduce you to some wonderful people that I've met, like Alicia. She's assistant cruise director. We had dinner last night. It was amazing. And then I'll tell you about Eric. Oh, the cruise director. He's a trip. And there's just so much to tell you. So I really, really mean it. If you're gonna hear what's happening, you're gonna have to come back to this spot, because it's as amazing on the Azamara Journey.